ChatGPT and Gemini are powerful, but they rely entirely on the cloud. If you want total privacy and control, local AI is the answer. Today, we're looking at LM Studio, the easiest way to run AI models directly on your hardware, fully offline. Let's set it up on Windows, Mac, and Linux. First, open your browser and go to the official LM Studio website using the link in the description. Click on the Download button and choose the version for your operating system. Once the file is downloaded, open it and start the installation process. Follow the installation steps just like any other software. Click Next, accept the license agreement, and choose the installation folder. When the installation is complete, launch LM Studio. When you open LM Studio for the first time, you'll see a clean interface. On the left side, you have the model library. This is where you can browse and download AI models. On the main screen, you'll find the chat interface, where you can interact with the model once it's loaded. Now let's download your first AI model. Go to the Models or Discover section. You'll see a list of available models. Some are small and fast, others are larger and more powerful. If your computer has limited RAM or no GPU, choose a smaller model, for example a 7B parameter model. Click Download and wait for the process to complete. Once the model is downloaded, click Load. It may take a few seconds to initialize. After that, the chat interface becomes active. Now you can start using your local AI. Type a simple prompt, like, "Explain what artificial intelligence is." Press Enter and the model will generate a response, completely offline. Keep in mind that performance depends on your hardware. More RAM and a good GPU will give you faster and better results. Also, different models have different strengths, so feel free to experiment. And that's it. You now have your own AI running locally on your machine. No internet required, more privacy, and full control. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.